In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2 simple ways to highlight text in a PDF file. These methods are quick, beginner-friendly, and will help you easily mark important information for future reference. Let's get started. First up, let's use Microsoft Edge, which is actually a great tool for basic PDF editing. Begin by locating the PDF file you want to work with on your desktop. Once you've found it, right-click on the file and choose Open With from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of programs, so go ahead and select Microsoft Edge from there. Once your PDF opens in Edge, you'll want to get started on highlighting. Simply select the text you want to highlight. A small toolbar will appear. This is where you'll choose your preferred highlight color. Just like that, your text is now highlighted and easy to spot. You can repeat this process for any other important sections you want to mark. When you're done highlighting, make sure to save your work. Head to the top right corner, click the Save icon, and choose a location on your computer to store your updated PDF. And there you go, you've just highlighted a PDF using Microsoft Edge. Now for the second method, highlighting through Microsoft Word. Here's how to do it. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your PC. Once you're in Word, look over to the left menu and click on Open, then select This PC. You'll need to find the PDF file you want to highlight, and once you've located it, go ahead and open it. When the PDF loads in Word, you're ready to highlight the sections of text you want. By selecting a section of text, a formatting menu will appear above or nearby. You'll see a highlight tool there, one that looks like a little marker. Click on it, pick a color that suits your needs, and apply it to the text. Just like that, the selected text will now be highlighted, similar to how it is in a regular Word document. Once you're satisfied with your highlights, simply save the file like you would any other document. And that's it. 2 easy and effective ways to highlight text in a PDF, whether you're using Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with more tech tips and tricks.